Yo guys, welcome to a new video. I'm going to show you how to control your phone with your voice. Yes, you heard that correctly. Control your phone with your voice. No need to use your hands for swiping gestures and stuff like that. But as you'll be able to see, there is limited functionality. Wake up. But let's get into it. Swipe left. Wake up. Swipe left. Swipe right. Open clock. Open clock. Set timer 2 minutes. Go home. Open calculator. Wake up. Go home. Open Amazon. Wake up. Swipe left. Open Footbin. Open Footbin. Swipe left. Swipe right. Go home. Swipe left. Swipe left. Wake up. Swipe left. Swipe left. Wake up. Swipe left. Swipe left. Open Angry Birds. Go home. Go to wake up. Go to lock screen. Sleep. Go to lock screen. Wake up. Go to lock screen. Go home. Go to lock screen. Go to lock screen. Go home. Go to lock screen. Switch off. Go to lock screen. Switch off. Lock. Wake up. Lock. Lock screen. So to do this, guys, go to settings, accessibility. And from accessibility, you can go to voice control and then turn that on. That will let you control your phone with your voice. And then you can also go to accessibility touch, then assistive touch. And then after that, go to custom gestures, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm just messing around with outdoor opacity. So here we go. So go back and then it's custom gestures, which I do not find at first, but I'll find it. There you go. I found it. So you set one of these, either double tap, single tap or long press to voice control. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more good content coming soon.